Welcome to this introduction to AWS Glue, Amazon's serverless ETL and data integration service. AWS Glue is part of the AWS Analytics suite of services that helps organizations manage and process their data efficiently. In this video, we'll explore what AWS Glue is, its key components, and the benefits it provides for modern data workflows. AWS Glue is a fully managed, serverless ETL service designed for data integration and transformation. It allows you to discover, prepare, and integrate data from multiple sources without worrying about infrastructure. The key advantage here is that it's serverless, meaning you don't need to provision or manage any servers. AWS handles all the underlying infrastructure for you. You simply pay for the resources consumed during job execution, making it a cost-effective solution for data processing needs. Before diving deeper into AWS Glue, let's understand what ETL means. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. It's a three-step process for moving data. First, you extract data by collecting it from various sources such as databases, files, or APIs. Second, you transform the data by cleaning it, formatting it, and processing it to meet your requirements. Finally, you load the processed data into a target destination like a data warehouse or data lake. AWS Glue automates this entire ETL process, making it much simpler to implement. AWS Glue consists of four major components that work together to provide comprehensive data integration capabilities. The data catalog serves as a centralized metadata repository for all your data assets, storing information about your data's structure and location. Crawlers automatically discover and catalog data schemas by scanning your data sources. ETL Jobs execute the actual data transformation and loading operations using Apache Spark or Python. Finally, the scheduler orchestrates job execution and enables workflow automation, allowing you to run jobs on demand or on a schedule. The AWS Glue Data Catalog is a persistent metadata store that holds table definitions, schema information, and data locations. Think of it as an index or directory for all your data assets. It's fully compatible with Apache Hive Metastore, which means it can work seamlessly with tools that use Hive. The data catalog integrates with other AWS analytics services like Amazon Athena for SQL queries, Redshift Spectrum for data warehouse analytics, and EMR for big data processing. This integration enables a unified view of data across all AWS services, making it easier to discover and work with your data. AWS Glue crawlers automate the process of discovering your data. Here's how they work. First, a crawler connects to your data stores, which can be Amazon S3, RDS databases, DynamoDB tables, and many other sources. Next, the crawler scans your data and automatically infers the schema by analyzing the structure and format. Finally, it creates or updates table definitions in the data catalog with all the metadata it discovered. This automation eliminates the manual work of documenting your data schemas and keeps your catalog up to date as your data evolves. AWS Glue supports different types of ETL jobs to handle various data processing needs. The three main job types are Spark ETL for large-scale data processing using Apache Spark, Python Shell for lightweight Python scripts, and Ray jobs for distributed computing workloads. You can write your ETL code in multiple programming languages. PySpark is the Python API for Apache Spark and is commonly used for big data transformations. Scala is another option that runs natively on Spark, and standard Python can be used for simpler data processing tasks. This flexibility allows you to choose the right tool for your specific use case. Let's summarize the key benefits of using AWS Glue. First, its serverless architecture means no infrastructure provisioning or management is required. AWS handles all the server management, scaling, and maintenance. Second, it's cost-effective because you only pay for the resources used during job execution, with no upfront costs or idle server charges. Third, automated schema discovery through crawlers eliminates manual cataloging work and keeps your metadata current. Finally, seamless integration with AWS analytics and storage services creates a unified data platform, allowing different tools to work together effortlessly. These benefits make AWS Glue an excellent choice for organizations looking to modernize their data integration pipelines.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.